Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm proud to present you 2015 brand new Volkswagen Golf, and this is going to be a full in-depth tour of the Golf. We'll start up, show the engine, go on some performance details, show you a bunch of the interesting features in the exterior as well as interior. And so, here's the key. Let's start the engine, let it run for a while. Flip key. Factory roof rails, as you can see. Wide and at the same time solid doors, very wide opening. It's almost like 90-degree, providing easy entry and exit. Two-tone interior, very comfortable seats. Three-spoke design wheel, leather wrap, flat button design, high gloss black finish. And to start the engine, put your foot on the brake, insert the key, and then twist. Very nice startup. This car comes equipped with electric assist power steering companion, very fluid. Horn, manual tilt and telescopic to adjust use this lever right there. This car has automatic lights and automatic rain sensing windshield wipers. Right now, let's send headlight, front rear fog light, high beam, soul surge lights. Bar mirrors, they also heated to adjust. Use this joystick right there, central lock, metal handle, two-tone door panels, soft armrest, window lock. All four windows in this car fully automatic in both direction, up and down. Rear windows. Alright guys, let's open the hood and take a good look at the exterior of this car. Over right there, glove box for the driver. Dual exhaust tips, rear parking assist, display lights, LED tail lights, rear defrosting glass, rear wiper, decked spoiler with third brake light, tow hug right there. Aluminum 16-inch wheels, tires measuring 205/55, four-wheel disc brakes, beautiful factory rims, matte flaps. LED turn cylinder case, exterior mirrors, heated windshield wipers, this area, bi-xenon projector headlamps, headlight washers, front parking assist, halogen fog lights. This car has inline-4, 16-valve, 1.4-liter turbocharged engine. It produces 122 horsepower, maximum speed of 200 km per hour. 0-6 time is 8.9 seconds. Combined fuel consumption for this car is around 5 liter per 100 km. The car is front-wheel drive. The fuel tank is around 50 liters. Independent McPherson strut suspension with iron roll bar up front and independent alternating suspension out back. Blue Motion technology. Alright guys, take it like the exterior. Let's stick with like the interior portion, the most interesting part. Storage area, bottle tolerance speaker right there. Tire pressure. Driver seat is manual adjustment. Seat height, sliding right there, recline. Adjustable headrests, seat belts. Driving airbag. Alright guys, let's see what kind of noise this engine produces. Rough limit around 4,000 RPM. Sound. Quite easy to read gauges for the odometer, light indicator controls, intermittent Wi-Fi controls right there, and driver information system. Digital clock, set temperature, range, quantity, air conditioning, traveling time, distance, average speed, digital speedometer, warning at, consumption, average fuel consumption, quite easy to use. Overall, build quality and all the materials are very nice. You can find soft touch plastic. And of course, a passenger airbag indicator right there, two-tone plastic, infotainment system, high-class black finish, radio, your different settings right there, it's quite easy. Media, car, as you can see. quite nice. Setup, sound adjustment, balance and fader, eject, CD, auxiliary input right there, manual tuning, power button, volume button. Down here you can find your very easy to use dual zone, fully automatic climate control, temperature. As you can see, you can adjust temperature, your defrost off, fan speed control, non-touch automatic, air conditioning, maximum air conditioning, your different modes. As you can see, recycle, 3-stage heated seats for the driver and for the passenger. Quite nice. Just set it and forget. Very easy to use. Storage down there. DSG transmission, sport mode, and manual Tiptronic shifting. Leather wrap shift knob, chrome trim. Turn off the auto start and stop function. Turn off the parking sensors. 2 cup holders. Electronic parking brake to engage it, and to disengage it, put a foot on the brake and then press it with auto hold function. Storage for small items right there, power lid, soft armrest, storage down there, auto dim rear view mirror, rear illumination. Very good visibility with my 6'3" statue. Those seats extremely nice. Everything is very nice put together here. True German quality, feels solid indeed. Absolutely incredible car inside and out. Feels great inside. Alright guys, let's check the back seats, shall we? Actually, trunk is huge, Volkswagen pivot handle. You can remove this shelf. Very good sized trunk, cargo tie-downs. Full size spare tire, toolkit and jack. Grocery hooks right there. 2 convenient handles. Closed trunk lid. Fuel cap. Second row is quite spacious and comfortable. Back seats easy to hold, 60/40 split, as you can see. Child seat anchors right there, adjustable headrests. With my 6'3" statue, quite easy to get in and out. Solid doors. Legroom is not an issue at all, and my headroom is pretty good. Rear vents, center tunnel, and there is no central armrest. Illumination up top. Hook right there. Cut hook. Grip handles. Gorgeous interior. Alright guys, let's check the rest of the vehicle, shall we? You can find same manual adjustment for the passenger seat, minus seat high, storage area, as you can see. Glove box is lockable. Also padded with illumination and cooled. Very nice via air conditioning. Very nicely equipped car for this price. Very reliable. Well guys, hope you enjoy my in-depth look at this 2015 Volkswagen Golf. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. We should catch you next time. This is where it came from. Thanks for watching and take care guys.